Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Researchers have developed a new type of neural implant that could restore limb function to amputees and others who have lost the use of their arms or legs. In a study carried out in rats, researchers from the University of Cambridge used the device to improve the connection between the brain and paralyzed limbs. The device combines flexible electronics and human stem cells, the body's reprogrammable master cells, to better integrate with the nerve and drive limb function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.